the rule of thumb is no wider than 4 foot, so you can easily reach from one side to the other, so you're not walking in the bed and compacting the soil, which is the purpose of the raised bed.
I have one comment on that.
Okay.
So 4 feet, yes, is good because you can reach across to the middle. But if you are short and maybe have short arms like I do, and I have a lack of height, and sometimes
you're closer to the ground, but you can't reach as far.
I can't reach as far. So if you're short and maybe you don't want to reach as far, you want to like kind of stay closer to the side, you could do 3 feet.
Well, you can do 3 feet. I don't know where the common thought is, the reach 2 foot on each side. Also, lumber comes in divisions of 4. You get an 8 foot, you can cut it in half. You've got 2 end caps.
I'm just saying, think about your moving abilities, height, things like that.
I've seen 3 foot beds, and there's nothing wrong with them. It's just what is going to be best for you and the distance. If you're doing multiple beds, you want to have a walk path. 2 foot's okay, but if you're going to be lawnmowers and wheelbarrows and lots of tools, 3 foot should be your minimum width.
That's another thing is that if you get down on the ground and you need a little bit of space to get up or something, or you use like a kneeling stool,
right?
You might want that 3 feet or 4 feet even if you have the space.
Right.